When they tightly strap me in, give me lethal injection, just a few moments to live. No remorse for what I did, it's for the betterment of man. I gave the utmost sacrifice, before more damage could be done, I took his life. There was a split second of silence when the dark punctured the skin. PDI rope hanging in, body drop from the poison. They could incapacitate me, but could not erase my sneer. I heard 1,000 people screaming while 3 billion others cheered. He was gone, and I would soon be executed by the state.